Hello students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is noun, gender. All nouns and pronoun have a gender. There are 4 kinds of gender of a noun. They are masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neutral gender. Now gender are masculine, feminine, common और neutral. ये 4 तरीके के gender आपके हर एक noun के होते हैं. Beginning with the masculine gender, a noun that refers to a male known as a masculine gender. All living males come under the category of masculine gender. जितने भी आपके male में आ जाएंगे आदमी, male में, male आपका आ जाएगा masculine gender में. Then you have feminine gender, a noun that refers to a female is known as a feminine gender. Female को denote करेगा, it will be feminine gender. Then you have third, common gender. Nouns that can be either male or female are common genders. अब child, teacher, servant, ये आपकी female भी हो सकती है, male भी हो सकती है, hence these will come under common gender. Then you have neuter gender, names of lifeless things denote to neuter gender, जिसमें आपकी कोई life नहीं होती है, जैसे book, ball, pen, कोई life नहीं है, so these will be neuter gender. Examples of different words in masculine and feminine gender. एक साइड masculine है, उसी का feminine आपको बताया गया है. Boy, girl, bridegroom, bride, cock, hen, horse, mare, colt, filly, fox, vixen, dog, bitch, grandfather, grandmother, husband, wife, milkman, milkmaid, Adam, Eve, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, uncle, aunt, bull, cow, lord, lady, monk, nun, peacock, peahen, son, daughter, brother, sister, hero, heroine, man, woman, poet, poetess, sir, madam, father, mother. तो ये male और एक साइड उनके female नाम है. Examples of different words in common gender: person, man or woman, child, boy or a girl, baby, boy or a girl, servant, man or woman, pupil, male or female. तो यहाँ पर आपके जैसे person है, common gender है, उसमें आपका male भी हो सकता है, female भी हो सकता है. Some more common gender: artist, advocate, advisor, accountant, auditor, broker, businessman, cousin, cook, chairman, criminal, constable, client, driver, engineer, enemy, foot, guest, judge, librarian, manager, novelist, professor, bird, shopkeeper, elephant, student, lawyers, etc. Examples of neuter gender are table, honesty, book, hospital, pencil, laptop, fan, bank, key, shoe, glass, pillow, bed, building, car, cloud, box, knife, love, leaf, piece, flower, wallet, dusty, pen, bag, road, truck, headphone, crayons, window, pot, bus, floor, cloth, wall, chair, stick, kit, train, school, fire, tree and school. अब ये सारे आपके न्यूट्रल जेंडर में आते हैं, ना ये मैस्कुलिन में है, ना फेमिनिन में है, ना कॉमन में है. These are neutral because they are lifeless things. Check yourself. A. Fill in the blanks with a suitable masculine and feminine noun. The waiter and the waitress took our order. B. Write the correct gender for each noun below: masculine, feminine, common और neutral. तो hunter आपका किस में आ जाएगा? hunter एक female भी हो सकती है, male भी हो सकता है, तो this will be common noun. C. Change the gender and rewrite the following sentences. My grandfather is the author of story books. So the grandfather का masculine है, feminine हो जाएगा. My grandmother is the authoress of the story books. D. Unjumble and write the masculine gender and then match with the feminine gender. तो पहला आपका लिखा हुआ है DAL, तो ये आपका lad हो जाएगा, इसका बिल्कुल opposite आपका हो जाएगा lady. Then you have E. Choose the correct gender group for each noun. Aunt, aunt आपका क्या होगा? Feminine. तो last one C पे आप टिक कर देंगे. F. In each sentence, change the masculine gender of the feminine gender. तो nephew dressed up as a wizard. तो nephew की जगह आप लिख देंगे the niece dressed up as a wizard. Now the fun zone. Fill in the feminine gender of these words. Choose the words from the box. अब सबसे पहले आपका given है masculine में brother. तो brother का feminine क्या हो जाएगा? Sister. Similarly, masculine आपको नीचे given है, feminine आपको ऊपर बॉक्स में से चूज करके यहाँ पर लिख देना है. So students, with this we come to the end of this chapter also. Just go through the entire chapter and rest of the exercise questions.